what's up you guys? Oh my god. So, hello, it's Will Luigi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, having a reaction. I know this is so very late because I am so busy and I'm just got home. So, we'll have a reaction video for TXT tomorrow by together. So, guys, so now that we're having a reaction video, so let's go and comment down below who's your bias, and my bias is Yeonjun's ever since. Yeonjun. Yes, let's go! Guys, oh my god. Ito yung pinaka dito ako sumigaw nung teaser, like, grabe. Ako, what? Grabe. So that's me. Grabe ang face card ni Subin talaga. And thank you Subin for visiting Cebu. Oh my God. Grabe. Di ba? Grabe yung face card. By the way, I saw them twice. Yes. Dunkin Fan Meet and Axe with Mirage. Damn! I love the hair. Pogi yun. Kaya ko siya itatamdil ko. Ang ganda din ni ano. Oh my God. Chorus. God, grabe. Si, di ba? Oh my God, guys, si Subin. Ay, si, ano, grabe, wait lang. Wait lang, hindi makita yung hair niya. Oh my God, Bomgyu! Kai! Guys, nalilito ako. Sino ba pwede kong thumbnail? Sorry. Grabe. Hindi ever ako binigo ni Yeonjun. Ang pogi ni Yeonjun. Ang pogi ni Bomgyu! Bicep si Gyu. Gumaganda na yung features. Pogi niya, grabe. I love them so much. Grabe. Grabe. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yung smile na yun dyan, grabe. Ang ganda. Oh my God, Subin. Tapos nag-iisa sila, no? Tapos si Gyu, si Kai, si Taeyeon. Oh my God. Sabi lang mong gift sa akin dyan sa shop. Pero, oh my God, ang ganda ng concept nila, di ba? Ibang-iba na siya sa mga past music video nila. Ang ganda net. For real, ibang-iba na siya. Oh my God. Grabe. For video, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So bye-bye, see you in my next video. Love you all, guys. Mwah.